welcome back to 25 DIYs of Christmas. I'm Brooke Styles and you're seeing me twice today because it's a double episode, so if you haven't already, check out the other video I've uploaded today. I came across a heap of old blocks and thought it would be amazing to do as a DIY nutcracker. I even got these little salt and pepper shakers for 50 cents and they will be perfect for their little heads. All we're going to need for today are our recycled blocks and wooden pieces, some wood glue, preferred coloured paints and some paintbrushes. Let's jump right into it.
I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you, and I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you.
Our little nutcrackers are almost dry. They probably only have a little bit more to go on the bottom, but I think it's ready for me to start painting. I'll just be really careful. So how I'm going to do it is, this will be his hat, his face here, as you can see, arms, and I've just made this hole in his body and legs. Let's get into painting.
I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you.
Oh my goodness, 2 DIYs in one day. If you haven't already planned to, go check out today's other upload where we make some DIY coasters. Here are the little nutcrackers. They turned out really cute. I think this would be such a cute little DIY to do with the kids. Obviously I had to use a bandsaw to cut some arms, but you can definitely find some other pieces that would do just fine without any equipment needed. Let me know if you love this one, and don't forget to check in tomorrow for another DIY. There are only 3 sleeves till Christmas. I'm Brooke Styles and this is 25 DIYs of